I'd like to share about the poem that's inspiration for all of us, which is coming from Guru Rabindranath Tagore, which starts with something called where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. And that has been our inspiration for starting Head Held High Foundation. So I think there is one small factual error here. I'm not 27, I'm 30. Okay, but whether you're 27 or 30 doesn't really make a difference when you really want to start off something. I'd like to share with all of you the story of one person. It's not about whether we're training 100 people, 200 people, 1,000 people. Our aim is to build a model which can actually transform poverty in India. But I want to share with you the story of one person who has never been to school, who I met about 4 years ago, Ramesh. So the first time I met Ramesh, he couldn't speak or read in English. He couldn't write his name in any language. So he couldn't write his name in any language. And he'd never been to school at all. So can we have the video of Ramesh, please? So that was Ramesh. He couldn't actually complete one complete sentence in any language, when he came up front. So what we did was we took 8 people like this in a proof of concept, said, okay, can we convert them into some, confident people who can actually do some work. So we conducted a very specific training program. So Ramesh and 8 of them,
go to form or sunrise.
Yeah. So can we have the video of Ramesh after 5 months?
I'm Ramesh from Raichur. When I was in my village, I did not know how to write even my name in Kannada. In my village, I always wore dhoti. I never travelled on the bus. I did not know what's the time and what's the watch. I knew only 2 things: go to farm or sunrise, came back home or sunset. I had never visited a city. I did not know about city life. When I first came to Bangalore, I could not speak to anyone. And I also scared to touch a computer. When I started to learn in English, I was so scared because I did not know how to write ABCD. After these 7 months, I can type minimum at 40 words per minute. A month ago, I went to my village for my brother's wedding. My mother told me, please sir, come and have a seat. She did not recognize me. She asked, who are you? I told her, I am Ramesh, your son. As she didn't believe. Then I showed my ID card on which earlier photo was there. She looked at the photo for a while and hugged. And after every moment she cried with the tears of happiness. I never can forget that experience. Thank you.
I was just thinking. Ramesh, just a second. So see, I was just thinking, many of us have been, given opportunities in our lives. We go to school, we we learn so many things. Our parents take care of our education, everything. But people like Ramesh, who there are around 20 to 50 million people like Ramesh in the villages in India, and when they were given an opportunity, they just grabbed it and then they took it on. After the proof of concept of 8 people like Ramesh, we scaled it up to about 120, and then we said, okay, so they could actually get trained as well. One of them, Ramesh, somebody similar like Ramesh, went and met Mr. Tata, and Mr. Tata said this can really change the face of India, and that's how the next project got funded. And then Ramesh actually was there at the function along with about 30 of them. In the Real Heroes Awards function, where the likes of Asha Bhosle, Karishma Kapoor, Mukesh Ambani, everybody was sitting together, and I was sitting next to him, and he was so confident to speak with all of them. So can we have the last video of Ramesh, please?
Ramesh, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. 4 years ago, I had never thought of getting out of my village. Today, I am on national TV. I am very happy to be here with all of you. 4 years ago, I didn't know how to write my name in any language. Today, I'm working in a BPO company as a team leader. My dream is to give an opportunity to all the villagers like.
So, so if someone like Ramesh could take the opportunity and make a life in that manner, so our only question to all the youth that we are has to be that what can we do, and what can we do for our families, our communities, and to the country as a whole. And our intention through Head Life Foundation is to enable 2 million people in the next 10 years to become like Ramesh. And I invite all of you to kind of join the movement and be a part of it. Thank you very much.